So, Dad, you said you wanted me to get them Impies rims we got polished out. Well, to me, this seemed more economically to just buy another set that are already ready to go. So, what year is your Volkswagen, man?
69.
69? Okay, because my dad has I'm building my dad a 70.
I bought this beat to hell.
Beat the hell of the hell?
I got it for $2,000.
Oh, okay. So, how bad is bad, though? You saying it was bad?
Just like the back floor pans were. So next week they're doing the floor pans.
Yeah.
I'm cutting this out. I got a rag top for it.
Oh, you gonna have a whole California top pull back scenario?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Okay. These are rims you told me you bought? Oh, hell yeah. Okay.
Gotta have that Southern California look.
Oh, yeah.
I did so much stuff to this thing.
Uh-huh.
I made my own speaker pods down there.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. You put them right and the left.
I made them myself.
Oh, okay.
Carpenter, so.
Uh-huh. And I see you got your amplifiers up top. Why you put them on the side? Why not put them underneath?
I want to see it.
Okay. If you want to see it. Well, see, then the sun will bake it and it change the color of it. Because I built a board like that for my father's and I put them underneath because there's a whole empty spot underneath. You know, and my theory is if they see it, they want it.
This thing even came running. It was a little bit to head, like I said.
Oh, okay.
I'll just fix it. This is the color I'm going with. All the tins.
Uh-huh.
The green.
Okay.
Take them out one by one
And so this is a 1600 or what? 16
single port.
Yeah, because I just pulled the single port out and put a dual port in there.
That's what I was thinking. Getting the dual port.
Well,
I like my gas mileage.
Well, I'm having an issue right now with is idling high while it's sitting still. When after it warms up, we get to going.
Kick those jets down.
What's going on, man?
Hey, how you doing, man?
Hey, you hiring?
Who, me? No. I just do it for myself.
Nice ass car in my neighborhood, man.
Oh man, we just had to come through, see what you see. but okay, so the jets are on the side. These two on my carburetor on the side, and I twisted them in 2.5. Twisted them in and said bring it out 2.5. 2.5. And it's still too high on idle.
Kick them down just a little bit.
Kick them back in or out.
This guy didn't know what he had. You know, I'm like, oh man, all I need is a little tweaking here,
Yeah, I'm gonna show you some pictures of one I built, and you'll be like, okay.
You would have seen this in the beginning. Even my wife goes, "What did you bring home?" I go, "A stray cat."
It's a stray cat.
Turned it into a dog.
And after everybody has seen what I did with the Volkswagen I got, they're like, "Hey man, there's one in the yard. You want that?" I'm like, "Not really. I don't want another Volkswagen, but I got
square back.
what I want. If I get one, another one, it'll be a convertible."
I'm trying to look for a convertible.
Yeah.
Or a notchback. Or a bus.
Well, yeah,
they're so freaking expensive.
It's been a journey. On the Volkswagen I got, I have did everything. It was raised up high like a Baja Volkswagen. I lowered it back down. I put it back level, and I bought tail lights, inserts, front and back bumpers. Yeah, everything. I touched everything on the whole car.
I got all the brand new rubbers. So much stuff just piled up with.
Who you buying your stuff through?
J-Bugs, right over here, Bug Foreman.
Oh, okay.
It's just right there.
Oh well, you in the hometown for that then.
Right down the street from it.
Yeah, because I've been going on J-Bugs, and then a few of the guys said go on J-Bugs and compare it on Amazon or eBay.
Yeah, J-Bugs is right here.
Oh,
just right down the street.
Well, hell, okay. Never mind.
5 blocks from here.
You ain't got to go nowhere but right down the corner. Okay.
Yeah. I took these off, cut them shorter, so they sit in more.
Yeah, because people like to stomp on them back in the high school days. My friend, we was going to stop. What do you mean you stepping on people's stuff?
Because one day, my daughter was coming through here and boom, hit it. I'm like, and it was weird. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to cut them down, sit in there. I'm good.
So, what you going to do with that stock steering wheel I see you got over there, man? I'm just curious. I got one. Mine's okay. I just got this in the piece.
Good condition.
I just painted this. So, but I just got the horn back to working because I had to go back through get the blinkers working.
Sell it.
Well, let's handle this part of the transaction first, and we'll go from there. So my dad had said, "Hey Rob, the rims that came with the car, why don't we get those refinished and paint them blue, or polish them up and paint them black. Time is of essence. Money is time. Time is money. I went and bought a whole nother set with tires already on them. Now we're gonna see what we can do. I got a few ideas of what to do with this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pretty much make it match. Got a few ideas. Let's go. Hey, telling y'all, I got skills on things. I don't need to tell y'all, I'll just show you. So, had few test runs, didn't quite go right with this, but I figured it out. Look at this here. You go from here, you tape it up. From there, you tape it up on the workstage. You prime it. Let it bake over there. From there, put it in the sun. Let the sun do its job. Bam. Pretty darn close. If I must say so myself. Yeah. Money stereo restorations, car restorations, I don't know. Personal stuff only, really. No, not open to the public on stuff like this. This is in-house for family. Just letting you see what I see. As you see, we're on the final stages. We got the other side already situated. He gave me the green light and said, go ahead, run with these, bring it to me with these, and we'll have 2 sets, the summertime and the wintertime. So yeah, sound like a plan. Sounds like some of our minds think a lot. Run the stock in the wintertime, run your rims in the wintertime. So we're gonna go ahead and get this party started, finish it up. Got some new knockoffs coming. And hey, oh yeah. The also, let me see. Dang it, the camera don't want to come off. But anyway, we got that part inside there to cover up all the wiring, all the excess stuff. That way it's removable and you can still gain access to things if you need to get up in there. You know, strategize, make it happen. I'm telling you, when it's over with, I'm gonna be in touched every part of this car. These right here was a all-day process. For those Beetle owners know, these right here takes a 8 mil, a number 8 12-point tool to get in there, which all of these did not work. Maybe out of the 24, I'm thinking 4 or 5 worked the correct way. The rest of them, you had to pound in a T.23 into it with a sledgehammer and penetrating oil and break it free, because the 12 point was already worn out when I got there. So yeah, cleaned up parts. We got brand new ones coming tomorrow at a premium price. I wanted to wait for I was gonna do Amazon. It would took a week to get here, a little bit next week sometime. And I pushed me out of my schedule because I kind of want to deliver this car between New Year's and Christmas timeline. So once you get past all them screws, you say, well, damn, where do you get the screws from? Well, there's your Ace Hardware store. There's 12 for one side, and there's 12 more for the other side. And so put this over here. So yeah, 24 fresh ones, along with new axles tomorrow, and we'll be pretty much almost at the finish line right there. Little details coming next, but that's about it. Whoo-wee, Volkswagen. I will safely be able to say I will know how to put together a Volkswagen from head to toe, except for going inside the motor. I've switched everything. When I get down to the end, I'll give it a whole walk around, a list of things I did to this car. Alright. So remember yesterday, I talked about those 12-point screws, the ones that come with the stock axles. Bam! They come with Allens now. And just think, yesterday I ran around and bought these screws. Now I gotta take them back. But got that. Got the boot. Gonna get it up in here so we can get this going. Let me get my Loctite together, flashlights and tools. Let's get this in. Well, we got them in there. All 24 bolts. There's 6 on this side, 6 on that side, 6, 6. So 6 times 4 is 24. In case you guys were wondering or did not know, fun facts. The torque is 43 on these. So gonna do next. Get the gaskets on the back tail lights installed, since I got the wheels off and it's easy to get to the bolts. That knockoffs are coming in the mail today with some special VW logo trim that I figured out. Well, we're gonna see if we figure out to make it work. But yeah, the countdown is on. Hey, gotta go. Oh yeah, and one other thing. Shout out to my mechanic friend Thomas Fields. He said, Rob, just go ahead and buy the axles. Once you get to messing with them things, you're gonna see it ain't as simple as it looks to try and get this right here. No, it wasn't as simple as it looked. Trust me. I gave up with the quickness and said, okay, I'm bowing down. No can do. And bought new ones. Now it's time to toss these in the garbage because these are no use. Completely useless now. Because I got new ones in. Get them taillights going, we're good.